Welcome to Diablo Valley College. So it looks like you qualified for financial aid. Awesome! Did you know that as a financial aid student, you are expected to do well in your classes and make progress towards graduation in order to keep receiving your financial aid? This policy is referred to as Satisfactory Academic Progress, or SAP. At the end of each semester, the Financial Aid Office will evaluate your academic performance and determine if you will continue receiving financial aid for the following semester. This means all the decisions you make about your classes will have a positive or negative impact on your financial aid. Whether you decide to study or watch TV, hang out with friends or finish your homework, skip or attend your class, drop the class, or stay until the end of the semester, all these decisions will affect your eligibility for financial aid. In order to stay in good standing, you have to meet all three SAP requirements. The first requirement is related to GPA. Your GPA, or grade point average, must be 2.0 or above each semester to meet SAP. If you're getting A's, B's, or C's in all of your classes, then you're in a safe zone. In addition, your overall GPA must also be 2.0 or above. Your overall or cumulative GPA includes not only the classes you're currently taking this semester, but all the classes you have ever taken at DVC that show up on your transcripts, even if you withdrew or failed the class. This is why it's very important to be consistent and try your best every semester. The second SAP requirement is related to completion of units. In order to stay in good standing, you must successfully complete at least 67% of all the units you attempt each semester. For example, if you started out with 12 units at the beginning of the semester, you must complete at least 8.5 units to stay in good standing and meet the 67% rule. Remember to always round up when calculating the 67% completion rate. If you get an F, incomplete, no pass, in progress, or withdraw from the class, then you didn't successfully complete that class. Again, getting A's, B's, and C's in your classes will keep you in a safe zone. The third SAP requirement is related to your declared major. Financial aid students are expected to complete their educational goals in a timely manner. You may only receive financial aid for a limited amount of units and must complete your program of study within 150% of the published unit requirement for your program. What does that mean exactly? Good question. Here's an example. Let's say your goal is to get an associate's degree in transfer, which requires 60 units. You may receive financial aid for up to 150% of that program, which equals 90 units. After you have attempted 90 units, you will no longer be eligible for financial aid because you have reached maximum time frame. Now let's say your goal is to get a certificate of achievement in early childhood education, which requires 29 units. In this case, 150% of the program is equal to 43.5 units. If this is your declared major, you will reach maximum time frame after attempting 43.5 units. At the end of each semester, the Financial Aid Office will review your academic performance. If all three SAP requirements are met, you will be placed on satisfactory standing and continue receiving financial aid for the following semester. However, if you fail to meet one or more of these requirements, you will receive a notification from the Financial Aid Office via Insight Portal email to let you know your SAP standing. You will be placed on warning status if this is the first semester that you didn't meet SAP. Students may still qualify for financial aid while on warning status. However, after 2 consecutive semesters of not meeting SAP, you will be placed on suspension and will no longer be eligible to receive financial aid. If you don't complete your program of study within 150% of the published unit requirement, you will be placed on automatic suspension for maximum time frame, even if you met both the 2.0 GPA and 67% completion rate. There is no warning period for maximum time frame, so it's really important to be aware of how many units you've attempted so far. Also, please note that maximum time frame calculation includes all units you've attempted at DVC and other colleges, including classes that you may have dropped, failed, or didn't complete. If an extenuating event happened during the semester, which ultimately affected your academic performance, you have the option to go through an appeal process in order to get your financial aid reinstated. For more information about appeals, please visit the Financial Aid Office. You may also visit our website at www.dvc.edu/financial aid to learn more about Satisfactory academic progress.